Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I have another review for you from one of, not my favorite, but it's kind of an old skincare line. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Vasline. Yes, good old Vasline. Now I got this Vasline Advanced Repair Intensive Care. This is a body lotion. I mean, when we hear Vasline, everybody thinks about, the petroleum jelly, the good old Vasline. But hey, now they make, facial creams, body lotions, and all that. Okay, so here, this is a 400 ml body lotion from Vasline that says it's an intensive care, advanced repair, unscented, no fragrance body lotion. So it has, Vasline jelly added to it, obviously. Okay, so this claims to heal and relieves dry skin without feeling greasy. Who wants to feel greasy? Nobody wants to feel greasy. So it's a good thing if a product claims not to leave your skin greasy. Now, is it a good product? Is it not? 400 ml, that's a lot of products. You can see that this will last you so long. I have used like more than half. This is my daily body lotion. I use it every day. So this was about €8. Okay, I mean, for a body, lotion shouldn't cost so much, but for a body lotion, you don't expect it to cost so much. So €8 is okay. Now, does it really do something, or is just, like the everyday body lotion? This heals and relieves dry skin. Yes, it does. I mean, it has, the petroleum jelly Vaseline in there. So obviously, it is going to heal and relieve your skin when it's dried and chapped. Vaseline is used for, dried heels and all that. If your skin, your lips are dry, your heels are dry, you use that petroleum jelly to heal it. And it really works very, very well. There are so many products from them, but this advanced repair is a great one. Now, I got this because I just wanted to try it and I was pleasantly surprised. Apart from the petroleum jelly from Vasline, I have never really used any Vasline products. I have seen that they have different kinds with aloe vera gel. You have the pink ones, with cocoa butter. But after using this, I am really thinking of trying their other products because this was a bomb. When talking about hydration, if you have dry skin and you need good hydration, especially during the cold seasons, this is one of my favorite products now. I like the fact that it absorbs so easy into your skin. Look at that. Now, this is quite thick. I mean, it's not on the lotion side. This looks creamy, okay? So it's like on the cream side. It's not so watery. It's on the thicker side. And putting it on your skin, you see how it disappears with just 2 passes. You see that? The hydration is the bomb. And if I use this in the morning, I still feel hydrated in the evening. So the claim that it heals dry skin and it doesn't leave your skin greasy is so true. It goes into your skin, it doesn't leave any oil, but your skin is moisturized and hydrated. Most of the times people think when you have to moisturize, you need a product which will actually seal, and most products do that, actually seal the moisture. So most of, the hydrating, moisturizing products are a little bit, oily, leaves your skin greasy so that it can trap in the moisture. But this does the job without leaving your skin greasy, even though it contains petroleum jelly, the Vaseline jelly over there. So yes, I must say I was pleasantly surprised, and the fact that it's so much product, like 400 ml, for that price and for the work it does is just amazing. And I'm just going to look more into, Vaseline skincare. And it has no scent at all. Like, it's so neutral. It's so neutral. If you're looking for something with fragrance, this might not be it for you, but it really works. Now, it claims to be the world's #1 brand in hand and body care. Is that true? I don't know, but It works good for me, so I like it, and I'm definitely going to get it again. I'm definitely going to try, the other ones, the cocoa butter, the aloe vera, and all those stuff. I will definitely be trying them, and I will let you know how good they are. Okay, guys, so that is it. This is it, the Vaseline Advanced Repair. A very, very good product. It doesn't promise any magic, but great for hydration, moisturizing, and everyday body lotion. Okay, guys, so that is it. Let me find out in the comment section, have you ever used, the Vaseline's line of body lotions? Did you like them? Didn't you like them? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.